Welcome back. In this video I want to show you how you can edit your playlists and your videos. Let's search for a playlist. Aporia. Here we are. Click on edit. Here you can reorder all the items of the playlist. It automatically pushes your changes to YouTube. Maybe you want to add some videos. Just click on the add button and type in a video name. Alright, here we have Dead by Daylight. And here it is. Let's remove it from the playlist. If you want to edit your video, just click at the edit button. Here you can see you can change all the information of the video. If you want to have a look to your comments, just click on the comments button. You can see all the comments related to the video. If you want to change the information of the playlist, click at the edit button. Now let's see all of our videos. Very simple and very fast. Thanks for watching. I hope we see you in the next video. Goodbye.